It's me again. Yes. And this time I'm talking about inks. Again. So, I was talking. The reason why the box was open was I was actually talking about that Off Nova Emerge DTF Sys. So I was actually making the video before I actually made this. This also was in that video. That's why it's open. All right. So now I'm going to talk about inks again. This time I'm talking about my two favorite inks. Let me flip this around. Two favorite. Now, reason why they're two favorite. So I got this bad boy right here. This is my #1 ink. Y'all know I keep, I talk about it everywhere and everybody I talk to, I tell them get this ink. Best ink. Period. I don't care what anybody says. To me, this is the best ink right now. Unless somebody can send me, if y'all want to send me a different thing of ink or tell me a different ink that you think is better than this, let me know. I'll test that out too. I tested Aqua Image. I've tested this one. I've tested Off Nova. As you see, I'm testing Off Nova right now, and they still don't come close to this one. Again, my opinion. You don't have to listen to me. And everybody who's tried this ink, I've said the same exact thing. It's really good ink. All right, nobody have turned back yet from this ink. This was my second best ink. I tried the Aqua Image. It came in really good. It was like a real close second to this one, but I wanted to give this another chance again. The reason why, because I tested it like a while back. If you watch my video, it's been a while back. I tested this ink before, and I said I was going to make a rally back around to it to see how good this ink was, because it was good then. I want to see how good it is now. I've actually been sitting for a while and it's been processing and all that other stuff been going on. I want to see how good this ink is, because it was literally right up here with this boy, with these guys. Not as good, but pretty much right around the same ballpark. So I'm going to be testing this ink again, and this time I bought the big bottles because I have a big old sis over there. Let me show you. So I've got this bottle, the big bottles this time, because I really want to give it a good test. All right, y'all, you already know I tested the big bottles on this, the same size bottles as these, and I had 0 issues. Most people tend to buy these in bulk in the big bottles, because I do sell them in the bigger bottles, and you know you can't go wrong with this. LCL ink, #1, full stop. So here's my AXLIO inks. I've told you before, I've talked about this ink a bunch of times. And you can see, really good packaging. They really do a good job. One thing I notice they don't do though, is they don't. Look, they got it on here, people. Oh my goodness, look at that. They have production dates on this box. I tell you, that's why I like this ink. I knew there was a really good reason how I like this. Look at this. Production date and expiration date. Now, what'd that tell you? Good inks do good things. Good manufacturers do good things. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong. AXLIO and LCO for the win. Everybody else, leave those two important dates off the box, because them dates really truly matter. And these guys put it on the box. There it is. Show it to you again. Alright? You know that's the reason why I praise. This is why I praise these guys, because why? They have a manufacture date right on the box. There it is right there. Manufacture date always on the boxes to let you know when these things were manufactured. Alright? And now AXLIO, I told you it was good ink. There it is. There's a proof. Right on the box. Alright? Made in China. Don't really care where it's made. Don't care where it's made. Good stuff can come from anywhere. Period. There's no highway option to that one. Alright? And I will be testing this ink out again, because I tested it before and it was really good ink. And now I'm testing it again just to make sure. And you will get the information. So if you're not subscribed, you're going to miss it. Alright? Peace. Oh, P.S. Look at this. You can't see the color through the bottles. Why they did this? Because DTF inks do not like sunlight. aka the light I have over my head right now, will affect this ink. And they put it in a bottle where it don't shine, the light won't get through to the ink. If you don't believe me, there it is right on the bottle. See? They don't like bright light. Yeah. And they put it in a bottle where it won't be affected. So, again, for the win, AXLIO, LCL, AXLIO, whatever, AXLIO, I don't know what their name is. I call it AXLIO, whatever. You know, you see the name. Let me show you the name again. There it is. Good brand ink. No, I'm not getting paid from these people. My money paid for this. So y'all think I got paid? Nope. My money. I paid for this because I need ink. And I bought AXLIO ink. So, keep tuned, alright? Peace again.
Step up your A game, step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.